this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2020 Toyota RAV4 LE Hybrid. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.5-liter hybrid engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get the nice backup camera. We got a roof spoiler with roof rails. Got the blue on the Toyota logo, which indicates that it's a hybrid vehicle, which is pretty nice. Mud flaps on the rear. Got some nice silver and black accents along this vehicle, which makes the red pop. We got the all-wheel drive logo right there with mud flaps on the front, blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors, and moving to the front here, got a block heater, license plate bracket, and that nice Toyota grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You got lights, hooks, and doodads to hold your gear down, which is all pretty handy. You can collapse that row. It is split folding, so you can have extra storage. We do get our storage underneath as well with your spare tire. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior, some door space in the back, nice looking speaker system, RAV4 right there, floor mats with rear vents. You got a 12-volt right there, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Got your lights, a little storage cubby here. Gas cap, hood, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 112,814 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. You got your cruise control, collision mode, play back, play forward, voice, volume, toggle for your screen, which you can then go through your settings, such as all these, any messages that would be right there, eco zone, since it is a hybrid, distance to empty, kilometers per hour, so your digital speedometer, and all that fun stuff. To my right, we got our cup holders, we got our sport mode, so you have your push to normal, eco, sport, trail, EV mode, parking brake, auto hold, gear select, storage with the 12-volt, and a USB. Got your center console here with even more storage, traction with heated front seats, a little storage cubby here with your climate controls, and it just digitally shows you right there, storage above and below, your infotainment system with your hazards, and here we have our home, which has our audio, phone, battery. We're going to go into our menu real quick, so you have your audio, phone, apps. So any apps you made down will show up right here, which is pretty nice. Projections, information, setup. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, all that jazz. And you do get some navigation, but you have to add it to the thing. There's your app skin, phone, track, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is GB91626A, and you can head on to PG Ford or give us a call.